When a narcissist's ego is bruised, the reaction is far more intense and dramatic than what most people would experience. Narcissists have an inflated sense of self-worth and superiority, relying on admiration and validation from others to maintain their fragile ego. A narcissistic injury refers to any situation that threatens this self-image, even in ways that others might consider minor or unintentional. Such injuries can be triggered by a variety of situations: criticism, being ignored, losing attention, or being compared to someone else. For instance, if a relationship ends, a narcissist might perceive the breakup as a personal attack or betrayal, even if the other person handled it maturely. The narcissist's reaction tends to be exaggerated because their sense of self is so closely tied to their perceived superiority. A simple disagreement or suggestion for improvement can be seen as a direct threat to their authority or expertise, causing them to react defensively and emotionally. Narcissists often shift into defense mode when they feel their ego is under attack. They deny responsibility, make excuses, and project blame onto others. In extreme cases, they may even seek revenge, perceiving any slight, no matter how small, as a hostile act that demands retribution. While most people learn over time not to take things personally and to grow from rejection or failure, narcissists lack this emotional maturity. They never develop the self-awareness or empathy necessary to understand other people's emotions or perspectives, which makes their reactions to perceived slights far more intense. Their inflated sense of perfection means they cannot tolerate any form of rejection or criticism, leading to immense distress when things don't go their way. They might withdraw and isolate themselves, licking their wounds until they feel emotionally capable again. Narcissists hold on to grudges much longer than most, often remaining bitter and offended long after the event that caused the injury has passed. For them, the world revolves around their feelings, and they often believe no one else could possibly understand or feel as deeply as they do. This exaggerated reaction to ego bruises stems from deeper issues, often linked to childhood experiences. Narcissists may have been excessively criticized or overindulged, leading to a lack of self-reflection and an inability to cope with failure or rejection. Their need for control is another significant factor. Losing control over a situation or being outperformed by someone else strikes at the core of their self-worth, leaving them feeling vulnerable and exposed. Ultimately, the narcissist's intense reactions to bruised egos stem from a deeply fragile sense of self, rooted in their inability to tolerate anything that challenges their carefully constructed image of superiority.